Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Guy123 Naga. Today is a very great day that we are going for collecting cow dung at a village which is very far, around 3 or 4 kilometers. So this is the cow dung that we are collecting, the dried one, and we are putting here, and here we carry a 4 bag because the way is not that much good. So everyone will be interesting. We go together with the father, both brother, and we cannot get in our vehicle because there is a very big wood stuck in the road. So we see there where is the place that the wood stuck over. So we are shifting from here to the place that we put our vehicle. So today's video will be very interesting. Please get in and look my video, and please, if you have interesting, like, share and comment. Thank you so much. Everyone, let's stay tuned for this video.
This is Guy123 Naga, a village boy going village gate and collecting cow dung for the herd. Interesting, this is very interesting. Oh, come on everybody, come on. Oh, interesting, interesting, interesting.
We are carrying 4 bag only. 4 bag. We cannot enter the place where we get this cow dung because the big wood is stuck in our road, so we cannot get in here. This is cow dung.